He closes his eyes and says, "Oh Lord." Too damn loud, too damn late, too